Around Valentine's Day, I always got a love story to share with you guys. When I was a younger teenager, I had a crush on this girl. She was cute, beautiful. Me, I know I was no match for her, but I didn't really care because I got thick skin. So, my broke self, I can't buy her no flowers or candy. So, I just kind of show her like I care about her by always being there for her, like making sure support her mentally. And one day I got the courage. We were at a retreat and I was like, I'm going to tell her I like her and I want to know if she likes me. So we walking on the grass and I say, hey, I don't know if you know, but I like you a lot. And, I just want to know if you like me or not. And of course, it didn't sound like that. I mean, that was too smooth, you know what I mean? But then she straight up said, I only see you as a friend and a brother. In my head, I was heartbroken because I was like, why the fuck you see me like that? But then anyways, that's the sign that she didn't like me. But fast forward to today, y'all. Now that I'm thinking back about that brother and friendly kind of statement when the girl don't like you, I'd rather take that now because I see all the people dating online. It's tough, bro. They get lied to. People telling them they got a job but no car, no gas. That's tough.